Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs. We have a 2013 Audi A7 Prestige, 71,000 miles only. She is fully loaded, really clean car inside and out, very well maintained. This car is definitely super nice. Sunroof, nav, backup camera, Audi side assist, heated and ventilated air conditioned seats, fully loaded. As you can see, the body's in mint condition. Just that trim piece down there is cracked, but besides that, on the body, there's good tires on it. Go ahead and check out the inside here, which is in excellent shape as well. Nice brown leather, has a sunroof, rear climate control in the Prestige. You can see the wood trim inlays are really nice on this A7. This car here was definitely ahead of its time. We'll go ahead and give it a start up. 71,207 miles. Like I said, we just serviced it, so she doesn't need anything. If this is something you might be interested in, give us a call at 228-438-2056. You could also email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com and check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. So yeah, please like, comment, share, subscribe. If you know somebody might be interested, please give us a holler. Thanks for checking out our video.